Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good evening. Are you ready to start our learning today? Apakah kalian udah siap untuk memulai pembelajaran? If you're ready, like usually, don't forget to follow, like, and share this video so that you don't miss the lesson which I will give you in the next session. Kalau kalian udah siap untuk memulai pembelajaran, seperti biasa, jangan lupa follow, like, dan share video ini agar kalian semua tidak ketinggalan materi pembelajaran yang akan saya berikan sesi berikutnya. And do you know what we will learn today? Apa kalian tahu hari ini kita mau belajar apa? Yes, of course, today we will learn about the difference of descriptive text and narrative text. At the times, I will explain in front of you all about descriptive text like what, narrative text like what, and now we will learn about the difference of descriptive text and also narrative text. Descriptive text is for describe something, someone, somewhere, or maybe your favorite places and also track. Descriptive text itu untuk mendeskripsikan seseorang, benda, hewan peliharaan, maupun tempat favorit kalian. Dan naratif teks fungsinya hanya menghibur pembaca. Narrative text is for interesting the audience and also the readers about the story which you made. Narrative text itu untuk menghibur para pembaca atau audiens dengan cerita yang telah kamu buat. Narrative text is for telling the situation, the event, or the chronological of the story. Descriptive text itu untuk menceritakan suatu peristiwa, kejadian, dan lain sebagainya. How to make a narrative text? Bagaimana cara membuatnya? The keyword of formula of descriptive text. The tenses is simple past tense. Tenses untuk membuat naratif teks adalah simple past tense. Karena yang kamu ceritakan itu kan lampau, like once upon a time, a long time ago, long ago, like and the etc. Jadi, kenapa kalau naratif teks itu kita menggunakan simple past tense? Karena itu kejadian lampau. Dari awal kalimat saja kan once upon a time, long ago, long time ago, itu kan lampau pada zaman dahulu kala, dan lain sebagainya. So, how to make it? The first part of descriptive text is orientation. Orientation is you introduce your story and also the figure of the story. Jadi kalau di orientasi itu kamu mengenalkan ceritamu terlebih dahulu dan kamu mengenalkan tokoh-tokoh yang ada dalam cerita tersebut. Like this. Once upon a time lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella. Cinderella lived with her father and her mother. They are a happy family. They are always go to garden together and also clean all the room together. Contohnya seperti itu. Kalian itu menceritakannya pada zaman dahulu kala hiduplah seorang putri bernama Cinderella. Dia hidup bersama ayah ibunya. Mereka sangat bahagia, mereka selalu bersama-sama, contohnya seperti itu. And the second part of narrative text, there are complications. Complication is the conflict or the problem in the story which the story is have a problem. Like this. But their happiness not long because suddenly Cinderella's mother was sick and passed away. Cinderella was so sad. After that, her father married again with woman who has two daughters. At the time, Cinderella has a stepmother and also two stepsisters. They are always coming her to clean all the room, the whole part of the room, and they always curse her like that. And how about the resolution? Jadi the third part of narrative text, there are resolution, yaitu resolusi, cara penyelesaian masalah. When the stepmother and two stepsisters go to the party, Cinderella was alone in the house, and she was cried and cried. But suddenly a fairy godmother come to her and ask her to take a pumpkin and also all the moss, and the fairy godmother changed the pumpkin into a beautiful train and changed Cinderella's clothes into a beautiful dress, and her slippers changed into a beautiful shoes for come to the party, like that. So how about the last part of the fourth part of narrative text? Jadi bagian terakhir dari narrative text adalah after resolutions is reorientations or conclusion. Reorientations is same like the moral value like this. Kindness is always win to like this. So the reorientations is like this. If we have a kind heart like Cinderella, we will always laugh. But if we cruel like Cinderella's stepmothers and stepsisters, we will never laugh like that. And now I will explain about the descriptive text. The descriptive text is this for describe someone, something, and etc. But the important part of descriptive text is adjective, adalah kata sifat. Yang paling penting dalam descriptive text adalah kata sifat. And the tenses for descriptive text is simple present tense, because simple present tense is the tense for telling their habits, routinities, and etc. Jadi kalau untuk menceritakan descriptive text itu kalian memerlukan tensesnya itu simple present tense, karena itu untuk menceritakan routinities and habit. And also the adjective like my cat is white and fat, but it is so cheerful. He always play with me, and he always go to the park with me. And it depends of the conditions of what will you describe in front of the audience. I think that's all for this lesson today. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.